Hi everyone, my name is Alyssa Swartz. I don't really have a nickname. I usually just go by my first name, Alyssa. I am currently a fourth grade math and science teacher. I currently work at Satilla Elementary School in Coffee County, Georgia. Before coming to West Georgia to pursue my master's degree, I earned a bachelor's degree in elementary education at the Western Governors University. In my free time, I love to travel with my family. I have a daughter that is 8, and we both love to go to the beach or just enjoy some time at home to relax. Before becoming a fourth grade teacher, I worked as a fifth grade math teacher at Eastside Elementary School and Ben Hill Elementary School in Fitzgerald, Georgia. Also, before becoming a teacher, I worked as a substitute teacher and also as a daycare teacher at a local daycare. During the COVID-19 shutdown, I was given the opportunity to be one of the online teachers at my school. During this time, I was able to see just how technology can be helpful to students and their education, which is why I have decided to pursue a master's degree in instructional technology. The pandemic impacted my professional life by allowing me to see that the use of technology in the classroom isn't always just playing games. It can be interactive and provides students with more opportunities to grow beyond just paper and pencil assignments in the classroom. It impacted my personal life in a way that added some stress and a little bit of worry for myself and my family, but I just learned to take it one day at a time and just keep trusting in God and know that I knew what was best for myself and my family. I decided to take this class because I wanted to grow as a teacher. Technology is always changing, and I want to be able to make sure that I can not only stay up to date with technology in the classroom, but also find new ways to engage my students in a meaningful learning experience. I hope to learn more about how I can use media literacy in my classroom, and I'd also like to know more about the theoretical approach to media literacy. Thanks.